Hey y'all, come on in. Let's see what's happening in today's video. This light is terrible. Hi guys, Emerald Gypsy Heart here. Today we're going to do something about this mop of mine. So we're going to go from whatever color it is now to whatever color it'll be in a little bit. So if you want to see that transformation in progress, just keep watching. This little palm was too cute for words. Alright guys, so it's time to do something with the mop. I'll show you what it looks like before. I'm going to take it down. Alright, so this is before. By nature, my hair is naturally very dark. So the process usually is bleach, tone, and then the colorant put in. Bleach is in. Got to get the blue out of my hair. So let's see if it works. Now I'm marinating in blue shampoo, I think. And Sheila's getting her hair done.
Oh, let's not talk. No.
Too late.
Nope.
Too late. My hairdresser did all of that, but did not condition before the gray. This is what's left of the blue after having bleach, a purple shampoo, and a blue shampoo. Yeah, I know. I look like I'm pissed off. I'm not. Now, the titanium gray. To this. Bye, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. You know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell so you know. And we'll see you in our next video.